Welcome everyone to Decoding Wisdom. This is the platform where we break down really profound knowledge into something everyone can understand. As a beginner stepping into any new venture, the most valuable thing you can have is wise advice. Today we are providing a guide of powerful advice every beginner needs in their journey. Have you ever thought, what is wisdom? Wisdom is not just about having knowledge, it's about knowing how to use that knowledge in the best possible way. It's about making decisions that will bring long-term benefits and understanding the potential outcomes of our actions. A critical part of wisdom and success is patience. True success does not occur overnight. It takes time to learn, grow, make mistakes, and eventually succeed. It's essential always to remember, patience is a virtue, one that each beginner needs to embrace fully. Does the word failure scare you? Well, it shouldn't. Embracing failure is another crucial advice that every beginner should know. Failing doesn't mean the end of the journey. Instead, it's often a valuable lesson teaching us where we went wrong so we can correct our course and move forward stronger. One of the constants in life is change. Understanding and accepting that change is inevitable helps us adapt and respond more effectively. Embracing change and being flexible in our approach is another wisdom cornerstone that every beginner needs to comprehend. So that's a wrap on today's topic. Decoding wisdom, essential, powerful advice every beginner needs. Remember, wisdom is more than consuming knowledge. It is about applying it effectively. Patience, embracing failure, and welcoming change are some of the important wisdom elements that every beginner should grasp. Join us again as we continue to break down wisdom into practical advice.